All right, so we're going to learn how you can make money with your design. There are a few ways that I'm going to share. One is what I just got the opportunity recently, which is a Canva creator, which I create content on Canva, and Canva pays me. So I make all these beautiful templates for people to use. But Canva, in order for you to become a creator, you can either just apply. To apply, you need to come to canva.com/creator. So you can actually just do this one, which is an opportunity that I got. And I sent in my portfolio. Click on this link here. Just follow the process, okay? And you can become. If I click in now, it's going to tell me that I'm already a creator, and that would just be it. That I can't apply anymore. But if you're not, it's going to give you the option. The thing is either you're accepted or you are rejected. Okay, what it basically means is you create templates and for people to use, and the platform pays you. But if you're not on Canva, what you can do is to create your template on Etsy, okay, which is etsy.com. Create an account with them and create your template here. Market your template. And if people click on your link, they come here and they can just buy your template. You can see some are selling as much as $17. This is like a pack, 150. This is 14,000. Am I saying that correctly? This 18,000 Instagram posts and stories. This one is selling for $4.84. Okay. So this is a way you can make money from Canva using creating your content and selling them. And also another way you can do is to start a YouTube channel. You create tutorial and for people to watch, and the platform also pays you. Okay. But apart from this, you creating having your creative freedom to create stuff for the platform to pay you, which is content creation. Other ways that you can do is to actually market yourself to people. Okay, create a list of design and just market it to people. Send them to the people on your list or your status. Tell them that this is what you do. If they have any need for any graphic design stuff, they should let you know that you're available for job. That is how you're gonna get the job that you're looking for. And also, you can pitch to clients on LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn. I post my work too, even though I'm already doing all of this. So a quick way to do it, you can upload your stuff to your designs to Pinterest. My first portfolio was on Pinterest, so I sent it to the client, and that was how I got employed. So when you are starting out and you don't have clients, what I can advise you do is just create actual design that people are looking for. Okay, don't create for yourself. Don't create birthday flyer design. You can create birthday flyer design, but let it be as if you created it for somebody. Create a fashion design brand flyer design. Let it be as if you created it for somebody. Don't come online and say I edited this photo. Look at these techniques that I use. The clients aren't looking for people who know how to use techniques. You're looking for people who know how to make actual design. If it's a cake class, make it a cake class flyer design, actual work. Okay, when you're practicing, don't just practice anyhow. Don't practice randomly. Say today I'm going to make a better flyer design for this person. You can see all the design here. They're like something that somebody can actually use. These are my templates. Okay. If you're looking, you can come here www.com/canva/p/gravid design. You're gonna see all this. Make actual work so that when you post it, people know, oh, this is the kind of work he does. Okay, make the things that you really want to make more of. Okay, so try to solve clients' problem, and also stay in one niche. If you're already good with flyer design, just stay there. Okay, you can also create a pack like I create 10 flyer design for this amount, or I create 20 design flyer design for this amount. I have that. It's called rate card. Your rate card should be able to tell people I make. You can search on on Canva. Let me search for rate card. Okay, service rate card. It depends on what you do. Let me say rate cards. Okay, these are templates that you can use. Um, so once you do that, you're able to send this off to client that I designed 10 flyer design for $100, $200. Depends on your skill set and the things that you can do. So once you can do all of this, you see that the money will start gradually coming in. So just pick a niche. If you want to do YouTube, do YouTube. If you want to pick ST. If you are rejected into the Canva Creator Program, no problem at all. You can use ST to sell your templates. if you can also sell courses. Okay, you can create tutorials together and you can also sell that. Okay, the template for rate card has opened. Look at rate card. They tell you the amount that you can, the amount you charge. This is what you can sell off to clients. Okay, and click on this one. You can see influencer rate card, Juliana speaker. If you're a designer, this can be like design, 10 social media design. Every service that you do, just put the amount here. This is a simple rate card and you can send it off digitally to clients for them to know what your rate card is. It's very simple to make. Okay, you can use templates. Canva template is always there for you. If you want more clarity, do more research on rate card and all that. Some people actually call it our services or my services branding. Put the amount here. Social media, $100 advertising. Just do whatever you think is best that fits you. So I like this one. Okay, that's pretty much it. So you can start an offer, like I said, 10 design. You can teach Canva design. You can have let me be more open here. I'm at this stage here where I'm really not into wanting to make money. I want to make money, okay, let me not lie, but I'm at this stage where I've understood business to a point where you have to create an audience for you to have a market. Okay, by creating and posting your work online, you are creating an audience. By having a WhatsApp community like the one I'm doing right now, I'm having an audience. Okay, this is me sharing value with people, because it is the value that people will follow. If people don't follow you, they don't value the value that you're giving. And if they don't value the value you're giving, you see that you work on the value, you change the value, or maybe you always get your audience. There are people who are going to see things you are giving out and you're going to like, man, I like this guy, I'm going to follow him. So build audience, build products, anything that you can do, just keep going. You're going to understand the business thing. So here's the truth. Bad design is not bad talent. Okay. To make money, it's not luck. Okay. You need visibility and you need positioning. You need visibility again. Visibility post, let people know what you do, and you need positioning. Okay, if you are in a class and you're a graphic designer, let everybody in that class or in that course, in that department, know that that is what you do. Okay, and it's very simple to do. Post in the group, you made a design and now offer this kind of services. Let people know. They may not even patronize you, but at one point in their life, they're going to remember your name, and that is how you, once you can put yourself and people know you, the money is going to come as a byproduct. Over time, you're going to learn, position yourself, know your offer, and all of that. So that's it for this video. I hope you're able to learn something out of it and how you can make money. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.